Hello and welcome to another segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. In this video, we are going to look at the University of Rome Tor Vergata Scholarship for international students. If this is the first time of coming across our YouTube channel, do ensure you smash that like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos where we discuss scholarship for international students in any part of the world. So in this video, we are going to look at the 41st cycle of the 2025-2026 academic year for University of Tor Vergata. And I'm going to show you all the important information you need to know about this scholarship, the courses that are available for application, as well as the qualification and evaluation. So this scholarship is currently open for interested applicants. Walk along with me as I show you some of the details you need to know. So I'm going to show you the information, and as you can see on your screen, we have the competition announcement for access to the 41st cycle of the doctoral courses is published with deadline 6th of June 2025 at about 12 a.m. So you can find the announcement on the link that is being specified on this page. So you have to click on the link and it will redirect you to the page. So let's access this link together. So here is the page. We need to convert this page to English language. So as you can see on your screen, we have the doctoral courses. You also have the FAQ. Now let's take a look at the call for admission to the PhD courses for the 41st training cycle academic year 2025-2026. So here is the English version. The competition announcement can be downloaded from the download section on the right. In the same section, a summary in English of the call for international students is also available. So I'm going to drop the link of this web page in the description of the video. You can access the link. This is the right, so you can access the summary in English here. This is the English version here, just in case you access the web page and you can't translate it to English language. So on the left menu, we were told that there is a link to access the page containing the complete list of PhD courses with their details, including the competition sheet. So before we access the PhD programs, let's take a look at some of the details we also need to know. Any changes or addition to the requirements and or available places will be available exclusively by the web on the individual competition sheet. So this will be available on the list of courses in which you are going to access on the left hand side. All candidates are invited to read the call for application and the course pages with particular reference to the admission requirements and the reason for exclusion. you are required to check the individual course requirement. So all the details you need to know about the requirements for those individual course will be specified on the page, in which it will either qualify you to apply or otherwise. So in particular, please note that application for participation in the competition can be completed starting 7th of May 2025, which you can apply online, and the deadline for submission is 6th of June 2025 at about 12 Italian time. The application deadline for submitting application for participation in this competition is 6th of June 2025 at about 12 a.m. and this application requires you to pay a one-time application fee, which is 35 euros, and it will be an online payment via the platform. So if you need assistance, you can email this support, and also for administrative assistance, you can email this support. Now let's take a look at the courses that are eligible for scholarship. Once you click on the doctoral courses, it will redirect you to this page. Then you can translate it to English. On this page, you can find all the PhD courses related to educational offer for the 2025-2026 academic section, for which it is possible to submit the application for the competition relating to the 41st training cycle. By clicking on each doctorate, the following resources will be available. So when you click on any of the courses here are the information you find on each of them. Forms containing the competition requirements with any evaluation grade, minutes of any preliminary section, and list of those admitted to the examination. Information relating to the evaluation of qualification, dates and places of examination, as well as method of carrying out the test, any updates and or specific form relating to individual courses, provisional ranking subject to administrative check for the regulatory, for the regularity of the art, improved ranking with the position assigned to each winner, eligibility of non-winner. So you find all these details on each of the courses you intend to apply. So here are the list of the courses. So here too are the list of courses. So you can as well access these links here, or you can follow this here. So let's take, for example, you intend to apply for public law. So all you need to do is for you to click on the public law and know what the requirements are. Now looking at the public law, under updates and notice, in the download section on the right hand side are published the updated competition sheet, and it is only version to refer to. The previous version, which is no longer valid, can be reached from here. So you need the updated competition sheet, which you can access here by downloading it. Well, let's take a look at what the competition sheet is. And the updated evaluation criteria and is the only version to refer to. So the previous one are no longer valid. So we need the competition sheet and the evaluation sheet. Now when you click on this competition sheet, it will redirect you to this page. We are only concerned about what is written here. Here the open position is 3, out of which only 1 will be awarded to international students. If here they are talking about if no qualified foreign applicants meet the requirements for scholarship, is going to be added to all other candidates who are either from EU or Italian citizen. The scholarship will be added to other candidate slots who are either Italians or EU students. Apart from that, these are the documents required, and this is the mode of instruction. You can take it in English, you can take it in French, you can take it in German, and also Spanish. So this is the mode of instruction. So once you are interested in any of these courses, all you need to do is once you click on it, it will give you the information you need to know about. So the evaluation criteria was talking about the test will be focused on because after you have been selected, you will be evaluated and you have to carry out test or exam. So the exam will be focused on correctness of method, adherence of paper to the proposed theme, originality and quality of the contents. We have the breadth of information and clarity and correctness of presentation. So all these are the evaluation criteria. You need to translate this and see what they required. So for each of these programs, they have the competition sheet which you need to access and also the evaluation criteria. We have the qualification evaluation date to be defined. This is exam date to be defined. So you know you are going to go through evaluation, and also you need to write exam. And as well for public law, you have the same thing. Now let's go over to the application process. In order for you to apply, just click on the candidatura link. Once you click on this link, it directs you to this page. So if it is not in English, you can click on this link, you can click on this flag, and then for those who have login, you can enter your login details to continue your application. If you have previously applied for this, you can try password recovery, then reset your password and login. Continue the application process from the last time. If this is your first time, you can click on the registration link, enter your email. So you are going to enter your email here. Once you click on come in, it will ask you to check your email and enter the code. Once you enter the code, you will be able to continue. So this is how to apply for University of Rome Tor Vergata PhD scholarship. Don't forget to like, and subscribe to this channel for more scholarship updates. See you in our next video.